Howdy ho, welcome back to Vlogmas on Wide World of Wendy. How are you today? Today we're tackling one of my very favorite things on the table, and that is sweet potatoes. That vegetable is just begging to be a dessert. We've got butter, we've got sugar, we've got vanilla and cinnamon, all that goodness. Can't wait to prepare this one for you. All right, so let's get started. Listen, these are already soft. These are already ready to go. Why mess with a good thing? So let's just drain a little bit of the juice off of these and we'll get them put in to our pan here. Okay, first stop, no judgment. These are already soft. They're already ready to go. Why mess with a good thing? We're just going to pour off a little of the liquid though. Probably about half. And then we're going to pour these into our baking dish. Now, the next thing I want to do, my knife, I'm not a fan of the kind of hairy ones. We're going to cut that one out. Cut that guy loose. There. Next thing we want to do is add about 4 or 5 pats of butter in and around here. So we'll just get our butter open. And then I'll just cut across 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll work. This dish is so easy to prepare and so good. Always a family favorite. Always a family favorite. All right, the next thing you want to do, a little bit of brown sugar. So we'll get this guy open. There we go. Okay. We'll do that one again. Okay, next stop, you want to put in probably a half a cup of brown sugar, but you're just going to feel it with your hand and put little pats of it around in here as well. So let's get some brown sugar in here. As long as every piece has some brown sugar sprinkled on top of it, you know you're in the right ballpark. Other chunk there. Oh. All right. Next stop, cinnamon. Now, we're probably going to end up using half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. But again, we're just sprinkling so you get a nice layer over the top, same as the brown sugar. So just take a nice sprinkle across. If your family doesn't care as much for cinnamon, you might sprinkle a little less. For us, it's just a nice layer across the top, and I'll bring that up so you can see what we've got going on there. Right. Then our secret is about a half a teaspoon of vanilla. I will pour it into the spoon and then just lightly sprinkle it across the top. That gives it that little extra zhuzh. Now, all we need to do is stick this in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. When we pull it out, we will add the marshmallows on top, stick it back in to get those marshmallows browned. But first steps first, let's get this good and bubbly. All right, so into the oven this goes. All right, now it's time to add the marshmallowy goodness. This is not a time to be stingy. We're gonna cover this whole thing in marshmallows. They're gonna melt, they're gonna get brown. It's gonna be delicious. So don't go soft here, go easy. The other thing I did was I turned the heat up on the oven to 400. That way, we just want the marshmallows to start melting and the browns to get topped, the top to get browned, the browns to get topped. We're not making football predictions here. We're trying to make sweet potatoes. Will you use the whole package, Wendy? Sure will, if I can. There's never enough potato, especially or marshmallow, especially once you put them in the fridge for the next day. You get them out and somehow everybody's taking the marshmallow right off the top. Right. All right. Okay, here we go. Let's put these back in for just a few minutes. We're going to watch them closely because, you know, marshmallows can go from melted to s'mores campfire style very quickly. So, just a couple more minutes. We'll be right back. See that? Browned, ooey gooey perfection. That's how you know you've made a classic. Look at the bubbles. Oh, this is so good. So good. Sweet potato casserole is one of those recipes that is so easy to fix and always a crowd pleaser. And every single bite reminds me of Mom, her cooking at the stove and me sneaking marshmallows away while she wasn't looking. So yeah, this is one of my very favorite holiday side dishes, and I'm so glad to have got to share it with you today. Well, thank you for joining me for some holiday sweetness. I hope you like and subscribe and come back tomorrow for even more holiday Vlogmas cheer. And remember, if it's ooey and gooey, it's probably